Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. I'm on the floor again. I just like recording here now. I don't know what it is. I don't know. But this has been my favorite recording spot. And I'm drinking a Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee with no sugar. There's no sugar in it. It's like some Splenda. So that's it. So it's not the best tasting thing in the world, trust me. But it's giving me some energy because I just got up and started going. I still even have my pajamas on. That says sleep solves everything. I had to read it. Sleep solves everything. And it really does. So y'all seen the thumbnail. I went back. Look, I just got back to work. Everybody like, where the lotion's at? Where soap's at? My mom going here stealing out my stash, taking my Mad About You line, so I had to go try to find that again. It's just so much, and I can blame it on so many things, but the point of the matter is it's semi-annual sale time. This is a time when I really get to cut loose at the store, because if it's not a deal, y'all know I don't be in there unless it's a deal. Y'all know I don't like buy 3 get 3, buy 2 get 2, buy whatever. I don't think those are good deals. But you tell me 75% off, I'm like, where they at though? Where they at though? So I'm going to enjoy the sale, and I decided and took a break and sorry guys. I told myself I'm going to enjoy the semi-annual sale. I'm going to enjoy it. I am going to enjoy it, and that's what I've been doing. I've been enjoying it. So y'all just gonna have to wait for me to stop going until the end of the sale. And the sale is almost over. I think it ends January 21st or January 26th. I don't know the exact date, but it's coming to an end. And if you don't want to go in stores, you can go online and order, and you can get money backs with money backs. Yeah, you can get money back using Ebates. I'll leave the link below. And I know a lot of people are like, girl, just order online, get everything in one swoop. No. I like going into the stores because my stores are all really close. So they're no more than 7 miles between every single store I go to, no matter which direction I'm going in. So that's why I like going in the stores versus online. But if you live far away, pay that $5.99 and get the shipping. But I don't live far, so don't bother me. So yeah, 2 baggies. So we're just gonna get started. I ain't find no 75% off candles. Y'all keep finding them. I'm like, yay, congratulations. You finding 75% off candles. Y'all lucky. I can't find the 75% off candles. But these little $2 I keep finding. So the first one I have here, this is Mary Mimosa. If you guys can see it. Yeah, there it is. Mary Mimosa looks just like that. Mary Mimosa smells really good. It reminds me of apple champagne honey. And the notes are champagne, apple, and sugar. And that's the red wax, and that's the smell. Delicious. It smells really good. I love the smell of it. The other one I wasn't hipped on, and I wish I was before, spiced graham cracker. So I got spiced graham cracker. Looks just like that. Again, it was only $2, and the notes in this one is, what is it, cinnamon and cardamom. Oh my god. Oh god, it made me cough. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love it. I love the smell of this candle. Like, this candle smells so good. The spiced graham cracker is everything. I don't know why I didn't know about it before, but I love the spiced graham cracker. It smells so good. And those were only $2 a piece. Now, I didn't find a lot on the $2 hauler. They didn't have anything. But at this one store, they had 75% off these face masks. And these are the Coco Shea Cucumber Face Masks. They're normally $8.50. Look just like this. They normally run for $8.50. They were only $2.13 because they were 75% off. And that's what the mask looks like. And I cannot wait to try it. It smells so good. That cucumber is very strong. And I figured this would be a good revitalizing mask for your face. Yeah, it says it's a revitalizing cucumber face mask infused with cucumber water. Ultra cooling sensations leave skin feeling fresh and revitalized. So you leave it on your skin for 10 minutes and then wipe off excess to reveal nourish healthier looking skin. And it says, for a pro tip, refrigerate before using, so it gives you like this refreshing, you know, spa experience. So I cannot wait to try this out. If you guys want a review, I don't know, let me know. I think I should start reviewing Bath and Body Works products too. I just really love Bath and Body Works. I don't want to turn this into a Bath and Body Works channel, but I really love Bath and Body Works, and I don't know, it's a mini passion of mine. I don't know, it's a mini passion of mine. The next thing I got was also from the Cocoa Shea line Cucumber. This is actually the Refreshing Body Butter. Looks just like this. It's more of a watery consistency, so I figured this would be good in the summertime. You've been out all day, all hot, over 100 degrees outside. You come in, you just want to cool your skin off, cool the kid's skin off. Use this because it's water based and it has that cucumber smell, but it will, I don't know, it will moisturize you and refresh you and cool you down like their aloe chills do. So I figured I would get that, and for it to normally be $16.50 and to get it for a lot less, I think that was a really good deal to get it for like $4. I think that was an excellent deal, so I picked that up. Now I did get the Be Enchanted. I told you guys in the haul, don't know which one before, but I had the body wash, I had the spray, and as soon as I was walking out the store, they put the lotions out in the 75% off bin. I said, no, I don't need it. But when I saw it again for 75%, I said, you know, that is fate, I need it. And it smells really good. It says it's fresh. It says in Be Enchanted, it's a fresh sparkling blend of iced pomegranate and sugar petals inspired by all that glitters. It smells so good, and the packaging alone is absolutely beautiful for Be Enchanted. I didn't find the Mad About You spray. I'm gonna go out today and I'm gonna see if I can find it. I have not found it yet. It's a store that's close by my house. I'm gonna go check it out. But I did find the Ultra Shea body cream. Since my mom took my lotion, now I have the cream. I do like the packaging of the cream actually a little bit better than the lotion, just because I like, you know, the cute little design. But I am gonna be hiding this from you, Mom, because I love this scent and she took my scent. This is black currant, bright peony, pink jasmine, white patchouli, and vanilla musk. So definitely, if you see this, get it. It's $3.95 right now. That's an excellent deal. I did pick up some, what else do I have? We're almost done, guys, I promise. I didn't go too ham. I don't think I went too ham, but you know I did. To some people I went ham, but to me, no, I did go ham, because I be seeing some of these hauls, because y'all, if you tell me about your haul, I do go watch it. And more than likely I do subscribe to your channel, and I see some of these hauls, they're really tiny, and they're like, yeah, I'm set for a couple months. I'm like, I'm a hoarder. Seeing these hauls for the SAS lets me know that I am a hoarder, and I buy a lot, and I buy too much, because I see their haul and then they're like, okay, I'm done, I won't be going back to the next SAS, and I'm like, that's it. They have one bag like this and be done. I'd be like, I'm a hoarder. I'm obsessed. Like, I don't understand when I got obsessed with Bath and Body Works. I don't know, but I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. From seeing these hauls, I really feel obsessed. But y'all have to forgive me. SAS is when I have me a little bit of fun. I'm sorry. But then I see hauls that are like 10 times bigger than mine, and they make me feel good. So to y'all who haul bigger than me, hey boo. You make me feel good, hey boo. But yeah. The next item is the Super Rich Moisturizing Body Wash, Shea Butter and Coconut Oil in Moonlight Path. I'm not a big fan of Moonlight Path. However, this smells really good. They had this and they had Sweet Pea. I was looking for Beautiful Day, but I didn't see it. And it's 75% off. So that's not bad for a Super Rich Moisturizing Body Wash. And this smells pretty good in Moonlight Path. I wouldn't get anything else of the Moonlight Path line, but the packaging, all this was cute. And the other one was Sweet Pea. I don't like Sweet Pea. I'm not a fan of Sweet Pea, but if they had Beautiful Day, I would have picked it up, but they didn't. They only had Sweet Pea. So I got that. This line, some Bath and Body Works have it 50% off. Some have it for 75% off. I found this line 75% off. But the crazy thing is, I got this for 75% off at one store, the one in Georgetown, and then I got this for 75% off at the store in Round Rock. Because they didn't have both of them on sale at the same one at the same price. It's so weird. But I don't care how it went down. They both were 75% off to me. So I got this line. It smells really good and it's going to be really nice in the summertime. I just like pairing them together. Like the only thing I don't have is the lotion, but I'll be all right without the lotion because I don't need it. But the notes in this is, because in the summer I kind of like doing the bake thing and doing oils. I'm trying to see if it tells you what's in it. Blushing jasmine, apricot nectar, drifting musk. And it smells really good. So it's going to be a great combo. And y'all remember when I showed y'all in my resolutions video that I got the cucumber lime breeze line, but I didn't get the spray. And then after I got to smell in the body wash, I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. Why didn't I get the spray? I don't know why I didn't get the spray, but y'all, your girl got the spray now. It's $3.95. If you can get this line, get it. It smells so good. Like when I tell you, oh, it smells so good. You're gonna smell so good in the spring and the summer, but don't overdo it because it gets strong quick. But it smells really, really good. Really, really good. And the last item I got, I finally found the champagne apple and honey 75% off, because y'all know I got the spray 75% off. They didn't have any more of the lotion 75% off, but that was okay. I got the spray, and then now I finally got it back up with the body wash. You can use this anytime. You don't have to just use this in the fall. This smells so good. Like, and they had 2 of them, but I only grabbed 1 because I didn't need to. But it said Pink Lady Apple, Sparkling Champagne, Jasmine Honey, Autumn Woods. Love it. And I was so happy to see it go 75% off versus 50% off. I probably will save it for the fall, but I don't know. I don't know. So yeah. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got from the SAS this time around. There'll probably be one more SAS haul. Okay. Okay, Tina. Talk. Learn how to talk. There might be one more SAS haul. More than likely there will be, because it's not over to the 20 something. So you might see 1 or 2 more. I can't even lie to you because I like stocking up. When it's on sale, I stock up, because when it's regular price, I don't buy it. When they have like wallflowers 5 for $23, I don't buy it. When they have you know, the soaps 5 for $20, whatever, I usually don't buy that unless it's something I really, really want. So this is my time when I take advantage and I fall in love with things. And you just got to excuse me on this one. You're going to have to excuse me on this one, because these are great deals. And why pass them up and then go in there and have to do buy 3, get 2 free, or retire fragrances at $6 a piece, or do these outrageous deals that's not as good, when you can just stock up now, get what you need now, why it's discounted. And that's what I'm planning on doing. And even though I live near an outlet and I can get some deals sometimes they don't have the good. But I know when these soaps go $2, like for all their winter soaps and stuff, y'all will see a haul on soaps. That way I can get the soaps I like to get for my job, because I like to have that good smelling soap at work, and get that for the low. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope I didn't enable you too much. I hope I did it. But y'all, I'm sorry, it's SAS. I have to go ham. I know you guys have been requesting my Bath & Body Works collection video. That will be coming in the next 2 weeks. So definitely look forward to that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.